Changing your primary device on NordPass Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your NordPass Business account by logging in on your current primary device. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is typically found in the Profile section of the main dashboard of the application. Step 3. Select Device Management. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Device Management or something similar. This section allows you to view and manage all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Remove the current primary device. Identify the device you wish to remove as your primary device. Select the option to remove or deregister it from your account. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Set your new primary device. On your new device, download and install the NordPass Business application. Log in using your account credentials. This device will now be set as your primary device automatically. After completing these steps, your primary device will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consult the NordPass support resources for further assistance.